equality, is really a dominant feature, or ought to be a dominant feature of Western moral thinking. And it is from that fundamental rights and freedoms come. It is a source of the principle of non-discrimination that established really the legal underpinnings of the modern state. Treating persons unequally without justification or for certain reasons not considered rational. That is discrimination. But you won't find discrimination in Jamaica on the ground of race. You rarely see that. More class prejudice than anything else. And it is dying out. It is, receding little by little. Just as discrimination on the ground of race is receding in the United States of America. The just society, moving towards the just society, you certainly can't afford to discriminate against persons simply because they don't see it your way. Because if you do that, what you'll be doing, you'll be isolating a part of the society who might have, that area might have individuals who can really assist in moving your agenda forward. But if you draw the line and say, no Republican, no Democrat, you're certainly not moving towards the just society. You see, you remember at every juncture when we're dealing with these human rights, we're dealing with a culture. At every juncture. The person who is, 60, 70 years old, he grew up in a different time. The youngsters these days, they're more tolerant of these things. Just like race. Same principle.
But the place where I take a little bit of exception to that is a person's culture can't justify violating someone else's human rights.
Totally right. What you can justify it, but you understand why the thinking is there. You don't justify it. Agreed. But you understand why the thinking is there. The ideal is that all persons must be treated equally before the law. That's the ideal. And if we bear that in mind, I think at the end of the day, all persons in the legal fraternity, they will be comrades in arms. That's what they would be in the protection against discrimination. That's what they would be. And that's what we all should be.